Beep. Bob. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 800 am Central Standard Time for Eastern Smith, Northwestern Rusk, Southwestern Upshur, Gregg and North Central Cherokee counties. At 720 am Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Overton, or 11 miles northeast of White House, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Longview, Henderson, Kilgore, White House, White Oak, Gladwater, Overton, Troop, Big Sandy, New London, Arp, Clarksville City, East Mountain, Liberty City, Joynerville, Mixon, Turnertown, West Mountain, Lakeport, and New Chapel Hill. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. This storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Thunderstorm damage threat. Considerable hail threat. Observed max hail size 2.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust less than 50 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.